What is it? It's
Speed cube.
speed cube.
You can do this. Like it has there, and then when you finish this, like this, you can do this.
Oh, okay.
Like after finish this, like this, you can do that.
Okay. You know how to use it?
I know how to use this.
Galing.
What if you do this here and then there?
Yeah.
Moyo. They're fixed it. You can take this off.
Apa?
You can take this off.
Okay.
You can rotate. See? Accessories box.
Okay.
Tapa may lubricant. Lubricant.
Lubricant.
Look, this is you can loosen the screw. It's flexible. See, oh.
Oh, wow.
It doesn't break. Oh, look, it's flexible.
Nice. Good job.